welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Grabox for July month. You must be thinking I have already done the video for Grabox, but this time I have come up with Bag O Bag Box. Now, you can of course tell by the name Bag O Bag. So in this you will receive beautiful bags, different types of bags. First of all, let me tell you the price. Price for the subscription box is $15.99, and in this, as I've said, you will get bags, different type of bags. So let me quickly show you what all it has. And yes, I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. $15.99 is the price, free shipping. And if you want to place the order through COD, so yes, COD is available, but for that you have to pay 75 rupees extra, I guess. Don't worry, I will be mentioning everything in the description box. Now let's quickly see what all bags we have in this edition. So first of all, let's start with this one. This is my favorite bag and I really love it. This is the bag. You can just see it's looking so pretty. Very formal kind of a bag, and it's quite spacious. You can just see the size. Then the quality is just amazing. You can just have a look here on the zip, and then this you can see the quality here, the thread work. So everything about this bag is really nice. I love the color. Color is just amazing because of course very safe color. You can just take it anywhere. Then let's see inside. So inside, this is the look. This is one compartment here, the other one is here, and in the center we have a zipper. So let me just open that and show you. So this is the inside, and then we have a bigger sling as well, which is amazing. It comes with a bigger sling, so you can just attach it here and it will be beautiful bag. So I really like it. A shoulder bag or a proper handbag, you can just enjoy this bag. I really love it. First favorite in the box for sure, and I can just pay $15.99 for this individual bag. I don't need the other ones. Now let's move on to the second one. The second one is this cute little bag, which I really like. It's a like party wear kind of a bag for me. So this is the look, and it comes with a sling again. So this golden and grey kind of a sling here. This is the sling, and this is the golden handle here. So quite dressy, you can say, quite party wear kind of a bag. And then inside it has this glittery pouch. So you can sequence pouch, you can say, not actually glittery, but the sequence pouch. And this is how it looks from inside. So yes, I like it. Very cute bag, a perfect party kind of a bag. So yes, happy with this one as well. Really pretty. Now moving on to the next one. This is again a really formal, safe kind of a bag. The color, you can just see it's so nice. Brown kind of a shade. Tan, or you can say tan brown is the shade. This is how it looks. Now this is the back side, and now let's open it and see. So it comes with this one zipper here. Once you open it, it again comes with a bigger sling here, and it has one compartment here, one zipper here. So quite spacious bag, I would say. You can just see the size here, and the bigger sling is there, so you can just make it a shoulder bag or a sling bag. So yes, really happy with this one. Again, the color is really amazing of this, and of course the quality, you can just see the quality here is super nice. So happy with this. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one, the color is really nice of this. I'm not really sure about the sequence thing because I'm not too glittery kind of a person. I can't really carry too much glitter, too much shine. So that is one doubt, but otherwise the bag, the shape is quite interesting. You can just see. So shape is super nice, and it comes with this two zipper here. So two different compartment here. And right now it has newspaper, but you can just see this shape, and it's quite spacious. It comes with the sling, adjustable sling, so you can just adjust the length of the sling. So yes, I love the color, though I am not really sure about the sequin thing. So I think I'm gonna give this to my sister. She's gonna love it. So this is the last bag in my Bag O Bag edition from Grabox. If you ask me, 3 bags I totally love, so I'm definitely going to use 3 of them. The fourth one, yes, I'm not really sure about the sequins thing, so I'm going to give that to my sister, and I know she's gonna love it because the color, the quality, and everything is just amazing of that bag. So yes, if you ask me, in 15.99 rupees for these type of bags, yes, I would totally recommend it. I am super happy with the edition, and that's all about bag. I think I've covered everything. If I've left something, you can comment and I'll be happy to answer it. I will be mentioning everything in the description box, so check it out. And if you like it, go ahead and purchase your bag edition. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.